Okay, in this exercise what we're going to be doing is using the pen tool for creating paths, and from a path we can create a selection. We've already covered the marquee, the lasso, the magic wand, the selection, and other tools that we can use to create selections. The pen tool is more precise than all the others. It is totally controlled by you. You draw the path out and then the selection is made from that. So what we're going to do is come down to the pen tool. First of all, I want you to click and hold and make sure you are on the pen tool. Right, now what we're going to do is follow this shape around, creating a path all the way around here. So we're going to start with the top left hand side. I'm going to click into there. Straight edge, I'm going to just click to there. Every time I create a point, I need to anchor that point down, and we do that by holding the Alt key and clicking on it again. Come down to your next point, Alt key, click and anchor that down. Up again, Alt key, click, across, Alt key, click. Now we've got a curve coming on here. Now I know I can do this in one operation. So what I'm going to do is come down to this point here. I'm going to click and hold and pull out the handles. Okay, at this point what I'm doing is holding my control key, which I now can control the handles here. Okay, you can see that the tool has actually changed shape. Let go of the control key, it goes back to the pen tool. Hold my Alt key and click. I'm going to see if I can do this in one operation. So I'm going to click here, click and hold, pull out the handles, and you can see that I cannot create this shape in one go. So what I need to do is do that in two sections. I'm just going to go back. I'm going to click here now. Pull out your handles to get the basic shape. Alt key, click, up to the next point. Click and hold, pull out those handles again. Alt key, click, and to finish off again just this one curve, which I know I can do that. I'm going to go up to there and pull out that handle. I'm just holding on to the control key, and I'm going to pull out this. So we've got the basic line there, and there we have it. What I'm going to do now though is to zoom in to 100%, see how good the cutting out was. You can see that I've missed it by quite a bit right here. Okay, now what I'm going to do now is go to the tool underneath the pen tool and go to our direct selection tool. This is the tool that we was creating by holding the control key when we was on the pen tool. But now we're just going to move the path around a little bit here. So we're going to click on this direct selection tool. Click on the path, and it brings this point up that we first started. So we're just going to move things into position now. Just going to move that around, one down, move the image across. You can see that I'm just lining everything up here. Okay, here we've just missed this edge a little bit here. I'm going to go down to the next point. You can see the handle there. I'm just going to move that into position, and I'm just going to tweak that in a little bit. And there we have it. That's following that shape nicely now. Bring that down. Bring that handle in a bit. Same with this one. Finally, I'm just missing it here slightly, so I'm just going to move this handle in a little bit, and there we have it. That path is following that shape perfectly now. Just going to zoom out a little bit. And what we can do here on the path, paths here, what we can do is save the path, give it a name, call it outline. Okay, that's. And from that path, what we can do is create a selection. So just go to this little arrow up here, and we've got make selection. Put the amount of feather that you want in. Obviously, that depending on the image itself, how soft an edge is. So you're going to put one in for here. Just going to go OK, and there we have it. We have our selection, a perfect selection of that shape, and that's easy.